Everybody, it's December 7th, 2024, and I'm Connor with Honor. I'm going to talk about Santa Clarita real estate, but today I did want to take a moment to honor this date in history, December 7th, 1941. On this fateful morning at Pearl Harbor, the world changed forever. We remember the service members who lost their lives and the families who carried on with the courage and resilience. Their legacy of strength and perseverance reminds us that we too must hold steady in challenging times and appreciate the freedoms we enjoy. Let's move into the Santa Clarita Market Watch. We did have the 7-day market snapshot as I worked on this morning. Today's going to be a Castaic specific broadcast. I'll be able to talk about that in just a moment, but let's kind of do the Santa Clarita Valley. And of course, as we see our combined residential market continue its steady course, buyer interest remains consistent, and inventory levels are holding on with well-positioned homes still attracting offers. While seasonal trends sometimes slow down market activity at this time of year, our current data suggests stability rather than stagnation. Sellers who present their properties attractively and price them competitively continue to see results. As we approach year's end, think of this as a gentle pause rather than a full stop, perfect for refining your strategies, whether you're considering selling or buying. Also check out my book. You can get there at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. As far as Castaic goes, focusing specifically on Castaic as of today, December 7th, we have a healthy blend of listings, around 42 properties, either active or coming soon, spanning from more entry-level homes in the 500,000s all the way to expansive ranch-style estates priced well into the seven figures. This diversity offers something for a wide range of real estate buyers looking to settle in a community known for its scenic beauty and suburban warmth. In the last 45 days, Castaic saw approximately 23 homes close escrow. This is a solid figure, indicative that property prices have indeed changed hands. While buyers are increasingly careful and selective with regard to the properties that shine, those that hold the right price, presentation, and condition are definitely finding their match with the buyers out there. Current market conditions point towards moderate but meaningful activity, not a sprint, but a measured pace that rewards patience and preparedness. In today's world, informed guidance is your best ally. Whether you're a seller fine-tuning your pricing strategy or a buyer looking to investigate a home before year's end, knowledge and timing are key. Remember, each subtle shift in inventory, buyer behavior, and closing prices is a reminder that real estate isn't a static field. It's alive, evolving with every new listing and sold home. On this day of reflection, December 7th, carry forward the resilience that history teaches us. Keep your outlook positive, your strategy well-informed, and your actions aligned with your long-term goals. I'm here to help you navigate every twist and turn of this journey as a trusted advisor, a seasoned traveler of markets, and your first responder realtor, always on duty. Stay focused, stay resilient, and I'll see you on the next update tomorrow for Acton and Agua Dulce. Be well. We'll see you then. Have a great day, and if you need us, reach out. Take care.